hope you'll excuse the messy garage. I just got a quick tip and trick for you today. Wire strippers, most of us have a pair. If you have a really cheap pair, they won't have this on them, but the slightly more expensive ones, these aren't expensive, but they'll have these little numbers here for you. And you've probably never had a clue as to what they were for, what they did. I've known what they did, but I don't really use them. Electricians will use them for shortening screws. So like for an electrical box, when you've got a screw that goes into an electrical box and you only want to go part way in, you can cut it off. And that's the screw size written on there. See the numbers? Sorry, the light's not good in here today. So I'm going to take a screw and screw it into the 6/32. Kind of have to match it up so it's both the front and the back, so it's hollow, goes straight through. And you can see it coming out the back. And then you simply cut off the screw. And that's it. You shortened your screw. Now this one's going to require, there we go, there's the little other part come out. And that's what the little holes are in your wire stripper, if you ever wondered. Again, I don't know if I've never seen a metric one. In North America, all of our electrical boxes and stuff like that is, and most of our construction stuff is old imperial. So it's in fractions, inches, etc. The only thing that's in metric over here is essentially kitchen cabinets now. They come in millimeters and stuff, but the old stuff is still old imperial fractions. Thank you very much for watching.